Now let's learn how to add a new service. To do that, click on Add New Service option. Now let's enter the service name. So since I have spa and salon business, I also provide hair treatment to my customers. So I'll enter the service name. Next step is to enter the images of the service you provide. So here you have three options: upload image, you can drag and drop the image, or you can add the image URL. So I'll go with this method. Click on fetch image. Let's enter one more image. Once done, let's move to the service specification. Although this section can be skipped, but to easily sell the service to your online customers, we recommend that you fill as much as detail as possible for the service. To add details, click on Add Details button over here. Now in description, enter the details about the services you provide. Now once done, click on Save. Next, you can decide if you want to sell this service online. Now once, if you switch on this button, the particular service will be visible on your online store, and Add to Cart and Buy Now button will be visible on your website. But this functionality is only available on the standard and premium plans. Similarly, if you want your customers to send inquiry regarding this particular service, then you can switch on this button, which also enables the Send Inquiry button on your website. Along with this, you have 4 tabs over here. First, let's enter the measurement. So I'll select visit. Next, let's talk about these 4 tabs over here. First is don't display price, which will not display the price of the service you provide on your online store. Next is the display single price. So selecting this tab will display the price of the service for single unit. So for example, if you have a tiffin selling service, then choosing this option will display the price of single tiffin. Next is display price range, which will display the price ranges of the service you offer on your online store. And next is the display price based on quantity. Choosing this tab will display the price of the service based on the quantity. So for example, suppose you provide marbles or tiles, then you can choose this option and display the price based on the quantity. So for now, I'll select display single price. I'll enter the price per visit. And next, from here, I'll select the inquiry form. You can also choose to add the duration from here. Once all the details are filled regarding your service, click on Save. So your service has been created successfully. So the newly created service will appear as such on your View Services section. So let's see how it looks on your online store. Let's first search for this treatment. Here. So here is the name, the images which are added, the price details, and the description of the service. So this is how you add a new service in the JD Omni system.
We hope that this video was helpful to you. If you still have any questions, comment below or contact our support team directly. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update.